Hi everybody. So today's video is on solving an equation that involves a bracket. Now, if you're not sure how to expand a bracket, I am obviously going to go through it now as we go through the question. But if you want a little bit more revision on expanding brackets, I have got some other videos that you can look back to see to help you with expanding a single bracket. So have a look back if you're not sure on how to expand first of all. So we know the basics of solving equations now, okay? So that's essentially what we're still doing, okay? We're still going to find out the value of x in this one and the value of y in this one. But we've got one step that we need to do first, which is expand the bracket. Now we need to do that part first before we can solve it. So let's expand the bracket first. And what you have to remember is whatever is on the outside, it's multiplied by both parts on the inside. So I'm going to do this multiplication. So I've got 2 times x. And I've also got 2 times positive 3. So 2 times 3. Okay. So my answers here, 2 times x is just 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. So if I write this out now, what I've got is 2x plus 6 equals 10. Okay, so now I've got something in the form that I'm already familiar with for solving equations. So this was the first lesson we did on it really, when it looked like this, and this is called solving a two-step equation. Okay, so now to get x on its own, I need to take 6 from each side. Remember, to keeping everything balanced. So I'm left with 2x because this part disappears, equals 10 take away 6 is 4. And then to get rid of this 2, remember this means 2 times x. So I divide by 2 on each side. So it gets rid of that bit. So x is just equal to 2. Okay? And that makes sense, doesn't it? If I put it in here, 2 plus 3 is 5. And then times it by 2 gives me 10. Okay? So let's have a look at the next one. Very similar, except it's got a negative or a takeaway in it. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to do 2 times y. And that gives me 2y. This time I've got 2 times negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Okay. So what we've got this time is 2y take away 6, because this is the answer to our bracket, equals 6. Okay, so now again, I've got it in the form that I'm familiar with. So to get rid of the 6, I'm going to add 6 to each side. Okay, so that part disappears. So I'm left with 2y equals 12. Okay, and to get rid of this 2y, the 2 in front of the y, I divide each side by 2, like this. So I'm left with y equals 6. And let's check that that works up here. So if I put 6 in here, 6 take away 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So that's all you need to do. Okay, so have a go at the questions, and if there are any problems, just let me know.